This is Windy Shores Cafe, and we're located inside Kuhl Interiors at the Marina in Thunder Bay, 2212 Sleeping Giant Parkway. Our coffee roasters are Phil and Sabastian. They're based out of Calgary, Alberta. We offer a variety of pastry. We always try to carry gluten-free options, just guaranteed gluten-free, and we try to keep vegan ones as well. We have a lot of different bars, like date squares, oat bars. We get a bunch of different scones. We have a cheese scone, raspberry and blueberry scone that are super popular. And then we try and have carrot cake and cheesecake on hand as well. We have a generic menu of latte, cappuccino, flat white, things like that, Americanos. We have hot options, iced options, non-dairy milks like oat milk and almond milk. So it's a local sweater done by the Wintering House. I think they're set up at the farmer's market. And we have the Sleeping Giant one, and we have the 1117 with a moose, and so that's really cute as well. And we also have the mugs done by a local potter. They're done by Donna Stecky.